How to deal with stretch marks. Hello, friend. If you think every scar tells a story, you would certainly want to know why we get stretch marks. These unpleasant streaks usually appear on the abdomen, the armpits, or the thighs and are reddish or purplish in color. But before you continue, friend, answer my question: do you want to know more about a healthy lifestyle, proper nutrition, and body care? Then be sure to watch other videos on our channel, which contain a lot of useful information that you didn't know. New videos appear every day. Don't forget to turn on notifications and subscribe to our channel. Also, in the description under the video, you will find the best products for beauty and health. Now we continue further. When you carefully observe the physical manifestation of these marks, you notice they are in the areas of the body that are expanding rapidly. As the dermal layer of the skin stretches out, it appears torn and cracked. These marks can sometimes also appear as brown marks, depending on the tone of your skin. Some people also observe depressed streaks on their buttocks and waistline. Are stretch marks permanent? Stretch marks are scars you get when your skin tears due to rapid weight gain or other body changes. Once stretch marks appear, they can't simply go away. However, the good news is that you can improve the appearance of stretch marks and blend these to the surrounding skin. What causes stretch marks? There are many reasons why stretch marks appear. However, common causes are pregnancy, puberty, or rapid weight gain. A fluctuating weight is a very common cause of stretch marks. When a woman is pregnant, her skin is expanding at a rapid rate, especially after the 6th or 7th month. That's the time when most women observe visibly noticeable stretch marks. This is why many expectant moms consider reducing their food intake. However, you should not change your diet without consulting your doctor. Moreover, when there are options like retinoids that may improve the marks by building collagen to thicken the skin. Are you looking for the best cure for treating your stretch marks? Here are 5 things to know about stretch marks treatments. How to deal with stretch marks. Although you may not be able to prevent stretch from appearing, there are several ways to correct this skin condition. A few popular ways of improving the appearance of stretch marks. There are many cases of successful stretch marks treatment by means of a pulse dye laser, which is a common laser that's often used in dermatology for treating vascular lesions including cherry angiomas and port wine stains. They are a popular treatment for striae rubra. As the name suggests, these marks are red in color. However, once these marks mature and become silver or white, they are more stubborn to treat. Doctors believe that nanofractional radiofrequency therapy is successful for treating striae alba, and according to published reviews, radiofrequency in collaboration with other treatment methods such as platelet-rich plasma therapy or microneedling are beneficial. However, it is sometimes difficult to compare the effectiveness of all the lasers since each paper employs various protocols and different treatments. Apart from using natural remedies to deal with stretch marks, here are a few tested ways to enhance the appearance of stretch marks. Retinoid. The topical vitamin A derivative boosts new collagen production. According to a 2014 study published in the American Society for Dermatologic Surgery, affected individuals who used retinoid daily for over 16 weeks successfully reduced the appearance of red or new marks. Nevertheless, don't use it if you are pregnant. Using a rich cream or lotion. Another potent way of getting rid of striae is to use a petroleum-based moisturizer that effectively forms a protective seal over the skin. This treatment results in healing the skin for minimizing stretch marks. Fractional lasers. Several dermatologists recommend treating stretch marks with a fractional laser, such as the Fraxel Dual. You will observe notable results after 4 or 5 treatments over the course of 3 months. This treatment method makes stretch marks almost invisible and reduces their appearance to a significant percent. Microneedling. Microneedling with radiofrequency can poke tiny holes in the skin for boosting healing, to help you get rid of all abnormal scars. Moreover, a radiofrequency laser heats underneath the skin and builds collagen to tighten stubborn marks. This technology is particularly useful for treating stretch marks in patients with dark skin since there are no chances of triggering hyperpigmentation. Using a self-tanner. You can also benefit from a self-tanner if your skin is fair to medium. Thanks to a self-tanner, you can hide unpleasant striae. The best part is that there is no smell or irritation. Natural ways to remove striae, stretch marks. Like all scars, stretch marks are permanent. However, natural remedies and other treatments can make them less noticeable and alleviate the itch. According to researchers, all products containing hyaluronic acid or centella prevent stretch marks. Our skin naturally contains hyaluronic acid while centella is an herb. There are other natural products that help reduce stretch marks and minimize their appearance if not make them disappear forever. However, it requires strict discipline and a regular skincare routine. Cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is a safe home remedy for reducing striae. It is safe for pregnant women to use throughout their pregnancy. The best time to apply it is before going to bed at night. Massage it well so that your skin absorbs the lotion completely. With regular use over a prolonged period, you will notice that the stretch marks have faded away. Lemon juice and cucumber. Thanks to the natural acidity of lemon juice, you can successfully reduce scar formation, whereas the soothing effect of cucumber juice leaves the skin fresh. Take cucumber juice and lime juice in equal parts, and mix them together. Apply this mixture on the scars so that your skin soaks it up. Castor oil. Stretch marks have a dried and shriveled look. You can enhance their appearance with moisture and nourishment. A great way to nourish stretch marks is to smoothen them by applying castor oil. However, the remedy only works when you use it regularly. Now you know interesting facts about stretch marks. Write in the comments which of these procedures you are doing. Do they help you maintain the beauty of your skin? Technology does not stand still. What other procedures do you know? Answer the question, do you want to finally look and feel like you deserve? Lighter, prettier, more self-confident, and excited about every day? In short, you want to enjoy your life and feel confident and happy about the way you look. Our best health and beauty products will help you. See the best products in the description. I hope you liked the video. Then like, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share with your friends.